here's our little sentence game. And what you'll need is some simple sentences that your children are learning or have learned and you want to review in your second language. So these flashcards I've made are Spanish, and most of these they know. They're still learning to use them in the right way, even though they know how to say them and how to read them. So this is how we play this little game. I have here also some little some hand puppets. They're little faces, which I've colored and plastified and put on little popsicle sticks, just taped very simply. And so each child takes one or two, and then I begin with my little puppet, and I'll say something that's on the table, one of our sentences. For example, Buenas tardes. That's my little puppet saying, Buenas tardes. And then somebody else will repeat, will say it back, Buenas tardes. If you say Buenas tardes, it means good afternoon. Then the next person should say good afternoon to you too. That's what it means. Then I'll say Buenas noches. Then somebody else will take their puppet and go to Buenas noches and say, oh, Buenas noches. They'll find the flash word and they'll repeat it. Or if I ask a question, ¿Cómo está? Which means how are you? Now, the next person will not say ¿Cómo está? You don't say how are you and you don't answer how are you. You would answer Bien, gracias. Or, yeah, bien, gracias. Oops, there's a few little sentences missing. But anyways, you have the beginning sentence and then the answer sentence written out. And that way you can play a whole bunch of different little games with these sentences. Or even each child can take a puppet and say whichever one they want. Hasta pronto. Then the next child will start Bienvenido. And on it goes. It just adds to the fun of not just reading the flashcard, but they get to play with their little puppets as well. I hope you enjoy this.